Hello friends, Professor Guy here, giving you yet another update. First, congratulations on back-to-back championships in Jersey Battle and Jersey Mayhem, which brings us to the video topic for today, celebrating responsibly. Let's have at it. Celebrating responsibly. We have many reasons to celebrate. We absolutely love ourselves and we absolutely love to celebrate. Holidays, birthdays, anniversaries, lots of things to celebrate. Wins and championships like we've had recently. Maybe we want to celebrate a profitable fundraising event where we brought in a whole lot of money. So not only do we have many reasons to celebrate, we also have many different ways of celebrating. Many things to do during a celebration. We can party, we have special food, special drink. Maybe we might even do a little dance. The key thing is to make sure that you are celebrating responsibly. Example the first, Ramon Ramirez. Having just witnessed his teammate Johan Santana complete the first no-hitter in Mets history, Ramirez rushes onto the field to congratulate his teammate, only to pull his hamstring in the process and find himself on the disabled list. Remember, we want to celebrate responsibly without getting ourselves hurt. Example number 2, Chris Coghlan. After a teammate wins the game with a walk-off triple, Chris Coghlan attempts to celebrate by hitting his teammate with a pie in the face. Let's pause there for a moment. I don't know if this is like 1930s Three Stooges humor, but isn't hitting somebody with a pie in the face a little bit old? Isn't that a little bit too old school? Nonetheless, he goes for it. He doesn't do it normally, though. He decides to leap and launch himself in the process. He lands awkwardly on his leg, tearing his meniscus. Guess what? That's an injury. That's a problem. Example number 3, perhaps the best known baseball injury from excessive celebration, Kendrys Morales. After hitting a game-winning walk-off grand slam. Think about that. Game-winning walk-off grand slam. It can't get much better than that. But wait, it's about to get messy. Kendrys Morales rounds third and stomps on home plate, breaking his leg in the process. From this injury, he was out of baseball for nearly 2 years. Big time injury. Careful how you celebrate. Unless we think that this only happens to professional baseball players, let's look at our last example. Our very last example, example number 4, Mrs. Professor Guy. Having witnessed an exciting play at the plate to preserve the victory in Jersey Battle, Mrs. Professor Guy leaps in the air in celebration, only to land and tear the plantar fascia in her foot. That now looks like shredded wheat. Mrs. Professor Guy currently in a boot. So we got to think about how we're celebrating. So what can we learn from these examples? So what are our key take-home lessons from today? Well, first we're going to use a quote from Clint Eastwood in the character Dirty Harry in Magnum Force. A man's got to know his limitation. Understanding the type of celebration that you can successfully pull off is really important. Our second take-home lesson, stretch. If you're going to stretch before a game, let's do a little stretching before we celebrate so we don't pull anything. Third, let's explore ways of celebrating that involve less kinetic energy. Less kinetic energy, less chance of injury. I know we're dropping some science terms here, but get used to it, because coming up soon, we're going to have a multiple part series on better baseball through science. Be on the lookout for that. And lastly, what we want to make sure we're able to do is let's enjoy the thrill of victory while avoiding the agony of defeat with an injury. So until next times, we'll see you later.